Okay, so you've found all the different ways you can make a building. So now the fun begins. Building an apartment block it's expensive. Walls and roofs cost the most to build. I'm going to make up this price. Each wall of your apartment costs $10. Each roof costs $10. You've got to find the cost of each building, which is the most expensive and which is the cheapest. Now we're lucky. If we look at this building here, we've got a green block here and a blue block, but the wall here, they're touching, so that is actually a free wall. In here, there's between the blue and the brown maroon, that's a free wall, it doesn't cost us anything. And here, it's a free wall, but anything on the outside, anything that sees air, costs money. So let's have a look how I do this. First of all, I've got 4 walls here, 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got a 5th wall here, it's hard to see, I know. And then, I've got another 4 walls on the back. 6, 7, 8, 9. I've got 9 walls so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I've then got a 10th wall on this side. So I can say I've got, and I'll write it over here, 10 walls. Now, 10 times 10, most of you know that's 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now let's look at the roofs. I've got 4 roofs. 11, 12, 13, 14. They're my 4 roofs. So I'll go back to here. So I've got 4 ROVES multiplied by 10, and 4 tens we all know is 40. You can see I've got 11, 12, 13, 14. So the way I counted it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And I know that altogether that would equal 100 add 40 equals, everyone, $140. Now, what I should do here, of course, I've got to put the dollar sign. That goes at the start, $140. Isn't that cool? Let's have a look at this second house. This is the one where it's all straight up. I've got my numbers ready. First of all, I can see here, there's 1, 2, 3 walls on this side. And then, I've got, on this side, another 4, so I'm up to 8. Around the back here, I know you can't see them, so the back of this green, 9, 10, 11, 12, and all the way on the other side, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now there's only one roof. That's my 17th block because all the other roofs are hidden. So I can say here, 17 multiplied by 10. Now a lot of people know that with my 10 tables, everything moves up a place value. So my answer is going to be $170. Now, if you're not too confident on that, you can always count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170. Hey, this one was more expensive to build. So we know that so far this is the most expensive. This is the cheapest. But let's see what happens on this one here. Look at this one. I've got 3 at the very front. 1, 2, 3, and the top one here. So what I'm going to do here, I didn't have my numbers ready. You can see I've got 4 walls here. Now, I've got a 5th wall, which is going to go right here. Look at this one here. Oh, sorry, Mr. T. I've got a 6th one. That one's there. The one here, it's hidden, so I can't count that. On the back, 7, 8. So on the side of the blue and the side of this orange, brown maroon one. On the back, there's the back of the blue, back of the maroon, back of the yellow, and back of the green. So you can see how I've got that like there. And I've then got 3 roofs. I've got this one here, 14, 15. So all up, I've got 15. So I'll get my writer out again. So we've got 15 multiplied by 10 equals, there's my dollar symbol. That's going to cost me $150. So let's have a look back. This one here was $170, $150, and $140. Remember, I didn't count anything on the ground. So the ones at the bottom, I don't count. If the 2 walls are touching, I don't count. Now, what's going to be really easy for you is build the blocks. Again, like you did at the start, build the apartments, and touch and count. That's how I did them to work out which is going to be the cheapest and which is going to be the most expensive. There's 8 buildings for you to do. Your challenge, who can find the most expensive and who can find the cheapest. This is a lot of fun. Good luck, team.